Are you spending a fortune on these? Protein shakes, premium cuts of meat, all trying to hold on to your strength after 60. What if the number one food you're missing is probably in your fridge right now, and it costs less than a quarter? And for decades you were probably told to avoid it. But new science says for seniors, this might be the absolute best thing you can eat for your muscles, your brain, and your independence. Let's talk about what happens after 60. We naturally start losing muscle mass. It's called sarcopenia. This leads to weakness, a higher risk of falls, and it saps our energy. So we chase protein, and it gets expensive. But beyond cost, many shakes are loaded with processed stuff. And for many of us, chewing a big steak isn't as easy as it used to be. Here's the big myth. We were scared away from this perfect food because we were told it would ruin our cholesterol. That has been completely debunked. The real culprit for high cholesterol is saturated and trans fats, not this. Okay, enough suspense. The food I'm talking about is the incredible, edible EGG. Here's why eggs are a senior's secret weapon. First, the gold standard protein. The protein in eggs is complete. It has all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to build and maintain muscle. Your body uses it better than almost any other protein out there. Second, brain food. Eggs are one of the richest sources of choline. Choline is crucial for your memory, your mood, and keeping your brain sharp. Third, eye health. They're packed with lutein and zeaxanthin. These antioxidants act like sunglasses for your eyes, protecting them from damage. And it's all wrapped up in a package that's cheap, easy to chew, and incredibly versatile. So, how many? For most healthy seniors, 1 to 2 eggs per day is perfectly safe and hugely beneficial. Of course, always check with your doctor, but for the vast majority, the old fear is a myth. You don't have to just eat them plain. Whip one into your oatmeal. Hard boil a bunch for a quick snack. Make a veggie-packed omelette. This is about easy, simple nutrition. So next time you're thinking about protein, don't first reach for the expensive, processed stuff. Reach for this. It's nature's multivitamin. What's your favorite way to eat eggs? Tell me in the comments below. If you have a friend who's still buying expensive protein shakes, share this video and save them some money.